sa second set ng whoop-de-doo area, and he is now challenging his teammate Glenn Aguilar.
Tailing behind Glenn Aguilar is rider number 6, Dondon
Yuson, teammates for the KTM Access Plus Terrasil Motocross team. Pero in motocross, Ramil, there's no teammate. Walang teammate.
Wala nga ako nakikita doon teammate ng dalawang to kasi talang bakbakan sila sa loob ng racetrack.
Walang teammate inside the racetrack. Teammates lang tong dalawa na to outside the racetrack. Kasi papakita nila kung sino at personal nilang mga judges is pakita nila kung sino magaling sa ating dalawa. Kaya Dondon Yuson is trying to make a line para maka-overtake siya ni Glenn Aguilar, and dito sa racetrack na to is actually mahirap i-overtake kasi ang racetrack is napakaliit. It's a 1.4 kilometer racetrack but yung lapad is maliit lang.
So dikit yung mga matatawag natin ng yung mga whoops, yung mga
mahirap ang overtake line dito. Kaya kailangan mong i-study or kailangan mong talagang pansinin yung mga liko.
Pag-aralan mabuti
yung mga liko.
At saka yung
kasi
mga
almost
lipat na gagawin mo.
Kasi almost lahat ng mga liko is madulas. And etong whoop-de-doo area na do, lahat sinasabi nilang mahirap daw, pero makita mo naman sa kanila kung paano nila dinaanan yung whoop-de-doo. Parang straight na linya lang, parang walang whoop-de-doo. Pero ang pagod mo during that area of the racetrack is grabe. Kaya makita mo si Glenn Aguilar and Dondon
Yuson, si Aguilar.
Parang si Dondon Yuson is giving up on how to overtake kasi
white flag na.
White flag. One more lap to go for the pro line.
Nalagpasan na pala ni Dondon itong
nalagpasan because Glenn Aguilar is running on flat tire. Makita mo yung iling ni Glenn sa ulo niya, yung frustration niya kung paano siya natalo.
Mahirap ba tumakbo pag flat yung ulo?
It's a frustrating win. It's a frustrating ride with Glenn Aguilar kasi flat tire, and it's a very easy win for Dondon Yuson na Glenn Aguilar got a flat tire.
But still, it's Glenn Aguilar winning the overall points, followed by Donard Yuson, Juby Saolog, Ambo Yaparcon, Winsor Pamorca, and Kenneth Baldiesa. And on the 7th place was Paulo Inoc and Wing Yaparcon.
Okay, nagagalak na imbitahan ako dito sa karera nito. Sama tayong lahat, mga riders. Pagtapos ng karera, magkakaibigan tayong lahat.
Nais namin pasalamatan ang Buena Vista Guimaras sa pangunguna ni Mayor. Mayor, maraming salamat. Sa mga local executives din po ng Buena Vista Guimaras, maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng opportunity na maipakita namin dito ang CELJ Sports Motocross event.
That was the first leg of the CELJ Sports 2010 Philippine National Motocross Series here in Guimaras. I hope you like the show here in the only motocross TV in the country, the CELJ Sports Motocross TV. I'm your host, Pepe Rubio of Quick Flight Racing, and as the saying goes in motocross, no excuses because racing is everything. See you next week.